Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make your videos private on TikTok. I'll be showing two methods. The first method will show how to make your video private while uploading or before uploading it, and the second method will show you guys how to make it private after you upload it. But before I begin, like always, remember to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any uploads. And also go in the description and check out my second channel, Sports Reels. I post weekly content there. Let's get right into this. First, I'll show you the second method, how to do it after you upload it. So first, go on TikTok, then click the me icon in the far right. And then after there, you see your home page. So click on the video that you want to make private. I'm just going to choose this one. And then click on the three dots underneath the comment section. And then you scroll to where you see privacy settings. Then you click on it. And over here, you can see who can watch this video. You want to click that thing that says everyone and make it either friends or private. I'm just going to make it private so nobody can see it except me. Then I'm going to click X. And it's in my private section right here. Now, I'll show you guys the second method, which is how to do it before you upload your TikTok. So first, click the plus icon in the middle. This is how you create a TikTok. Then create your TikTok. I'm just going to make a quick TikTok of nothing. I'm just going to quickly mute it. And now that I have created my TikTok, you just do the same thing where it says who can watch this video. You click it and then you choose. I'm just going to choose private. And then you post it. And once you post it, it's in the private section. And now I'm going to go into a second account just to show you that it actually works and it's not just working for me. Okay, so I went on my backup account, and now that I go to my page, you can't see it. It says this user has not published any videos, so it's like I haven't even made a video even at all. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Comment below other tech tutorials I should do. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.